Question: do I have to answer police questions during a police stop? I often get asked this question, and the answer depends on the police powers being used to stop you, if any police powers are being used by the police officer. So let's do a quick rundown, briefly outlining the different police stop powers and whether you are legally required to answer police questions like giving your name and address. And for the purposes of this post, I am assuming the police power is being used lawfully. Do I have to answer police questions? During a police stop and account which is not a formal police power, no. Section 1 stops under PACE to search for stolen or offensive weapons, no. Section 23 stops under the Misuse of Drugs Act to search for drugs, no. Section 50 stops under the Police Reform Act to tackle antisocial behaviour, yes, limited to giving your name and address. Section 163, 4 and 5, vehicle stops under the Road Traffic Act to check a person is a lawful driver, yes, limited to producing your licence, stating your date of birth and giving your name and address and the name and address of the owner of the vehicle if it's not you. Producing proof of insurance and MOT if required. Section 43 stops under the T Act to tackle T, no. Schedule 7 passenger stops under the T Act to check if a person is a T, yes, all questions must be answered. Where you are legally required to answer the officer's questions when the full legal test for the particular police stop power has been met and you refuse without a lawful defence, you would be committing an offence like an obstruct police offence. Whether you should or should not volunteer answers where you are not legally required to answer police questions is your judgment call, explored in other posts. But you should never feel pressure to answer police questions when you are not legally required to do so. So if you are not sure about the police powers being used, if any, to stop you, detain you, search you, ask questions about you or others, one of the questions you should consider asking is, Officer, what power are you using to stop me? And with legal education, by watching posts like these, you will know if you have any legal responsibilities during the police stop, what they are, and the legal consequences of failing to fulfil them. Feel free to comment, follow, like and share.